Alright, so today is Thursday, and tomorrow you will be having assessment on what we've learned so far. So go over your work, look at the videos, and for today I'm going to be focusing on ordering decimals from least to greatest. And please read it, because for the previous lesson you had to do greatest to least, and this is least to greatest. So I'm going to use my very reliable place value chart right here. And it said I have three numbers that I have to do from least to greatest. And here they are right here. So what I'm going to do is plug it in, because that's obvious. And I'm going to be using, I guess, the orange color. Let's see if it's the same one. No, it doesn't work. I guess I have to pick a different one. And here's the black. Okay. Hopefully that one works. Okay, so I'm going to plug in 5, because there's a whole number 5, and 540 thousands. My next number is 5. I'm gonna split this one into half because I don't have enough space. So it's 5 and 631 thousands, and 5 and 625 thousands. Now that's, you plug it in and you could obviously see it, and I used for the whole week's lesson, I used one place value chart. So do it in your notebook to help you out. Alright, so now they're going least to greatest. So how do I figure out what is the lowest number? Let me compare the ones placed first. I have a 5, a 5, and a 5. Does that help us? No, absolutely not, because they're all the same. They're all equal. Now, and then now we have the tens place. Let's see if the tens place is going to be any more help to us. So we have 5 tenths, 6 tenths, and 6 tenths. So is that helpful? Yeah, because we know from least to greatest, the lowest is the 5. So I know that 5 and 540 thousandths would be the least value because of the digit 5 in the tens place. Now I'm going to go on between these two numbers here. I have 5 and 631 thousandths, 5 and 625 thousandths. Let me look at the ones place. The ones place is the same. It's equal because they're both 5. Then you have the decimal point. Now we have the tenths place. 6 and a 6. Does that help us? Absolutely not, because they're both the same. They're both equal. They're both 6s. Now let's look in the hundredths place. We have a 3 and a 2. Does that help us? It sure does, because the 3 is greater than the 2. So the next lowest number is 5 and 625 thousandths. And as you know, the only one left would be 5 and 631 thousandths. Okay, so there you go. They're from least to greatest. Always use your reliable place value chart to go over it and check your work. Thank you, and have a great day.